Hello everyone, I'm Kerri. To celebrate reaching 5,000 YouTube subscribers, we're running another giveaway. 3 winners will each be able to choose 3 of my appliques of their choice from the ones I have available. To enter the competition, just watch and comment on the Easy Pig video, which will be available next Friday morning, Brisbane time. The pig will look like this. The winners will be picked randomly using TubeBuddy at 4 p.m. on Tuesday the 16th of October, and the winners will be notified. We'll publish the names of the winners on our Facebook page and in our Facebook group. The details are in the description below. To get notifications of my new videos, be sure to click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Good luck in the competition.